Factorize completely 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So here 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So if you'll observe these two terms carefully, they are like perfect squares, 3 square and 4 square. So whenever you'll get like this, there will be high chances that we can use identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square I can write as a plus b whole square. But we need to check whether we are getting 2ab or not. So for that, what I'll do is, first I'll write the empty one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here this 9x square I can write as 3x whole square. 16y square I can write as 4y whole square, because 4 square is 16, y square is y square. Now here, and a is, this will act like a and this will be b. So if we'll substitute here 3x and 4y, now I need to check whether I am getting the same number 24 or not 24. 2 times 3 6, 6 4 24 xy. See, we are getting perfectly. So clearly it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write as a plus b whole square. So 3x plus 4y whole square, or you can write as 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y.